Hi there. My name is Holly Lehman.
And I'm Jen, and we're from the Teams team, here to share 3 exciting new features coming soon to Microsoft Teams.
First up, we are excited to share the new channel experience coming to Teams. This new, more intuitive design will allow you to focus on the content and discussions that matter most, no matter when, where, or how you work. Starting with where you add a new post, it will now be at the top of the page. And pinning post will let everyone know what's most important. We're also starting to streamline the info pane to enable one-click access to your content and channel topics. Adding ways to include your branding through customized headers and integrating new ways to express yourself. Next up is IntelliFrame. IntelliFrame will leverage the latest Microsoft and partner AI to intelligently adjust remote participants' video galleries, enhancing the focus and framing of in-room participants. It will also dynamically adjust to provide the most inclusive view of in-room participants based off the capabilities of the in-room camera. Intelligent cameras leverage Microsoft AI, enabling remote attendees to see each person in the room with their associated identities in their own video pane via people recognition once enrolled in biometrics in the secure Microsoft Cloud, and identify the active speaker in the room to give them more visibility. Now, for older cameras that may not support the latest experiences, IntelliFrame will leverage the Microsoft Cloud to process the video from the room to enhance the focus and framing on the in-room participants. It's going to be a game changer for more collaborative and inclusive meetings.
Last but not least is Intelligent Recap. With so many competing priorities, it's important to be able to spend less time catching up on meetings. With Intelligent Recap, you'll see personalized insight from meetings that help you discover information that matters most to you. Intelligent Recap uses AI to assign tasks, so action items are not missed. It automatically generates chapters and calls out important moments in the recording, like when your name was mentioned or when you left the meeting, so you don't have to sift through recordings and transcripts to find what is relevant to you. Searching the transcripts has also gotten smarter with suggested speakers that are personalized for you, so you can quickly refer to a specific point of reference.
These are just 3 of the many innovations coming soon to Microsoft Teams.
Be sure to check out the links in the description to learn more. Subscribe today so you don't miss out on what's coming to Microsoft Teams.